Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. I'm excited to be able to share just a little bit about the SEAT Peer Mentor Program with you all. My name is Claire Leffingwell, and I work in SEAT as a graduate assistant within the Student Retention Office. So we house a lot of programs that SEAT students are able to utilize, like tutoring, student engagement, like fun events. We house our Parker Living Learning Program, a lot of programs like that. One of the newer and bigger programs that we offer is the SEAT Peer Mentor Program. And right now I primarily coordinate that, and so I'm super excited to share just a little high-level overview of what this program is. So just some of the program details about the SEAT Peer Mentor Program. Essentially, this program matches incoming freshmen to SEAT with older upperclassmen SEAT students. So we try to match based on major, research interest, things like what you're planning to be involved in at OSU based on your identities that you would like to be matched on. So we really try to find someone who's going to connect with you. That way it's not somebody that has nothing in common with you. We really want to make sure that mentor-mentee relationship is solid from the beginning. This program is eligible to all incoming freshmen who are not already engaged in the SEAT Scholar program. They did not attend Summer Bridge, which is our summer before freshman year transition program, or don't live in Parker Hall. The reason we do that is because in those three programs, students who are in those programs already have somebody that is in some sort of mentor role. So whether that be counselors, another formal mentor, or the Peets, which live in Parker Hall, those students already have somebody to connect with in a mentor capacity. And so this program really targets those students who might not have a connection with anybody at OSU yet, and we want that to be the place for those students. If you are interested about recruitment for this program, recruitment and applications take place the summer before your first semester as an incoming freshman. So you will be matched with a mentor before you even step foot on campus in the fall, which is really cool. And that can help with sort of easing the transition to college because you'll already know a familiar face and someone who cares about you at OSU before you even come to college. The program itself runs through the school year, so the fall semester and spring semester of your freshman year. And we'll do things like game nights, programming, dinners, things like that to let the mentees get to meet other mentees, other mentors, and engage in that way as well. The why behind this program is that there are many benefits for incoming freshmen to have a connection with an older student within SEAT. Those students can help you with things like figuring out how to buy books for the first time. Some of our mentors this year met up with their mentees and showed them where their classes were, which kind of eased those first day jitters of knowing exactly where your classes are. And just having someone to help you navigate maybe the class selection process so they can say, don't take it with this professor, take it with this professor. So there are a lot of different benefits, along with just having a friend and someone that can help guide you through your first year of college is really beneficial for freshmen. Like I said, recruitment for this program takes place the summer before your freshman year. So to get involved, watch your email. The email will come from somebody in my office with information about how to get involved. So make sure you're watching that. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to someone in my office. Or when that recruitment happens, let them know what questions you have and they'll be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for letting me share a little bit about this program, and I am looking forward to seeing you all on campus in a few years. Go Pokes!